10 creative ways to save money without sacrificing fun. Does it ever feel like you have to pick one, a fun social life, or saving money? Like every time a friend texts you an invitation, you can almost hear your bank account crying? It's a super common feeling, but I'm here to tell you it's a total myth that you have to ditch everything you love to build up your savings. So many people think saving money means a life of boring, but that's just not true. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 creative and honestly simple ways you can save hundreds of dollars a month without giving up your social life or the things that make you happy. And I promise, these are real tips that go way beyond just make your coffee at home. Number 1. Redefining your social scene. Okay, first things first, let's upgrade your dinner plans by hosting a potluck. Think about it, instead of everyone dropping a ton of cash on a single meal at a restaurant, you turn dinner into a fun, team effort. You can even pick a theme, like a taco night or a build-your-own pizza party. Not only does this slash the cost for everybody, but it ends up being way more relaxed and personal than shouting over the noise in some expensive restaurant. Number 2. Become a hometown tourist. Next, try becoming a tourist in your own city. I bet you would be absolutely shocked by how many amazing, and free, things are happening right in your backyard. Just check your local city's website or community calendar. You'll find free concerts in the park, art gallery openings, street festivals, and farmers markets. These events are packed with culture and are a fantastic way to spend a weekend afternoon with friends without ever reaching for your wallet. Number 3. The library renaissance. I know what you're thinking, the library? Seriously? But just hear me out. Your local library is so much more than a building full of books. A lot of libraries now have a museum pass program, where you can literally check out a pass that gets you free admission to museums, zoos, and other cool cultural spots nearby. I've seen passes for everything from science centers to historic mansions. It's an incredible, under-the-radar resource for having these amazing cultural experiences for zero cost. Number 4. Host Skillshare socials. This next one is a brilliant way to mix learning with hanging out. Instead of paying for a class, why not organize a skill swap with your friends? Maybe you're a whiz at making cocktails, your friend is a secret baking genius, and another one knows how to do basic bike repairs. Set up a night where you all teach each other your thing. It's a completely free way to learn something new and have a memorable hangout that's way more engaging than another night at the bar. Alright, we're at the halfway point. If these ideas are clicking and you're starting to see how saving money can actually be fun, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It genuinely helps the video get out to more people who feel stuck between their budget and their social life. Number 5. Volunteer for the perks. Ever wanted to go to a sold-out music festival or that huge marathon everyone talks about? Try volunteering. Seriously, most big events need volunteers for everything from checking people in to handing out water. In exchange for a few hours of your time, you usually get free entry to the entire event, and sometimes even a free t-shirt or some food. It's an awesome way to be part of the action, have fun, and give back a little, all at the same time. Number 6. Gamify your entertainment with a game night. This one is a classic for a reason, the board game night. I'm serious, go dust off those old board games in the closet, or tell everyone to bring over their favorite. It sparks some friendly competition, a ton of laughs, and real connection. You could even make it a regular tournament. This costs next to nothing and delivers hours of pure entertainment, a perfect swap for a pricey night at the movies. Number 7. The great outdoors upgrade. Instead of just saying, let's go for a hike, give your outdoor plans an upgrade. Organize a themed picnic in a scenic park, plan a scavenger hunt on a local trail, or even start a super casual sports league with friends for something like kickball or frisbee golf. Nature is the ultimate free entertainment, and getting active is a healthy, budget-friendly way to spend quality time together. Number 8. The clothing and book swap. Feeling bored with your wardrobe or already read every book on your shelf? Host a swap party. Everyone brings a few items of clothing, books, or even home decor that they're ready to part with, and you all just trade. It's a really fun, social event that lets you refresh your stuff without spending a cent, and it keeps perfectly good things from ending up in a landfill. Win-win. Number 9. The No Spend Weekend Challenge. Challenge your friends to a no spend weekend. The rule is simple, you can hang out and do fun stuff, but nobody is allowed to spend any money. This forces everyone to get creative. You might end up rediscovering local parks, having a throwback movie marathon at someone's house, or finally tackling that DIY project you've all been talking about. It completely reframes saving from being a restriction into a fun, creative game. Number 10. Master the at-home happy hour. Instead of paying a fortune for fancy cocktails, become your own favorite bartender. Pick a new cocktail recipe to try each week and host a happy hour at your place. You can split the cost of the ingredients with a few friends, and it can turn into a really cool weekly ritual. You'll save an insane amount of money compared to going out, and you'll walk away with a pretty awesome new skill. So, there you have it. 10 creative ways to save money that prove being frugal doesn't have to be boring. At the end of the day, living on a budget isn't about what you're giving up, it's about being more intentional and creative. It's about spending less on the stuff that doesn't really matter, so you can put that money towards the things that truly do. What are your favorite ways to save without sacrificing fun? Drop them in the comments below. I would genuinely love to read them, and I'm sure other people will too. And if you want more ideas for living a richer life in every sense of the word, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching.